Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true Eloiser. I am SN Hawk, and today, as you know, I have come again with the current affairs with static GK of 2nd June. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe this channel and allow all notification to get remind of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So we'll go to the first question of the day. India's largest Rekling Buddha statue will be installed in which place? So the right answer of this question is option D, Bodh Gaya. Some information about this. This statue will be 100 feet long, is being made in Kolkata. Very important. This is expected to be installed on the occasion of Bodh Purnima in this year in Bodh Gaya. Very important. Its sculptor is Mintu Pal. This is also a very important question. So friend, second question of the day. Global Day of Parents is celebrated every year on which date? So this is celebrated every year on 1st June. So friend, some information about this. UN General Assembly celebrates this day. So this day is celebrated by UN General Assembly for the honor of parents. The theme for this year is appreciate all parents throughout the world. So when a new batch is launching for West Bengal Police Constable and Sub Inspector, the person who are aspirant for West Bengal Police Constable and SI can join this batch. This will start from today at 11 am. So when we will go to the third question of the day. To tackle COVID-19 situation in the country, who has become the head of Emergency Management Plan Group? So friend, the right answer of this poem is option B, V.K. Paul. Some information about this. Dr. V.K. Paul, member of Niti Aayog, will be the convener for the Emperor Group for Emergency Management Plan. Very important. The convener of the Emperor Group is created in partnership with private sector NGOs and other will be the Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant. Very important. The members of this group. So when we'll go to the fourth question of the day. Indian economy has contracted by how much percent in the financial year 2020-21? So when Indian economy is contracted by 7.3% in this financial year. As per the official data of the Statistical Ministry, India's economy has contracted by 7.3% in the financial year 2020-21. The country has recorded its worst recession since independence. Indian economy is growing 1.6% between January to March, that is first quarter of this year. So when we will go to the fifth question of the day. Which country has reported a first human case in H10N3 bird flu virus? So friend, the human infection of this virus is taken place in China. That is option C is the right answer. Some information about this. According to China's National Health Commission, no other cases of human infection with H10N3 have previously been reported globally. Formerly, H7N9 virus has reported in China in March 2012 in March 2023. Very important. So then we will go to the sixth question. Recently, who is appointed as the new president of the Confederation of Indian Industry? This is also a very good question. So recently, option B, TV Narendran. So recently, TV Narendran is appointed as the Confederation of the Indian Industry, that is CII. Some information about this. TV Narendran was the former CEO and managing director of Tata Steel. He will take over from Uday Katak, the CEO and managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Some information about Tata. Tata Industries is founded in 1868. The headquarters of Tata is Bombay House, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present chairman of Tata is Natarajan Chandrasekharan. Very, very important. We'll go to the seventh question of the day. Recently, who has won the silver medal in 2021 Asian Boxing Championship? So recently, option B, Mary Kom has won 2021 Asian Boxing Championship silver medal. Friends, some information about this. Mary Kom finished the third campaign at the 2021 as ASBC with silver after going down against the two-time world championship Nizam Kaizaibe in a high octave in 51 kg final in Dubai. So friend, Mary Kom is defeated by Nazim Kaizaibe. Very, very important. So she won gold medal. So friend, we will go to the 8th and last question of the day. How many amount is allocated from Madhya Pradesh under the Jal Jeevan Mission? So Madhya Pradesh government has been allocated by 5,117 crore under Jal Jeevan Mission. Some information about Madhya Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and the Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Anandibin Patel, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. So friend, we will go to those questions which are provided for you yesterday. What is the name of the capital of Turkey? The right answer of this question is Ankara. Second question, who is elected as the first female Prime Minister of Samoa? The right answer of this question is Fiami Naomi. Very, very important. Third question, which Indian company has been listed among top 25 firms in UK? So the right answer of this question is TCS. TCS stands for Tata Consultancy Service. So question of the day, which you will give answer through comment. So let's see who came first. What is the name of the capital of Vietnam? Second question, recently which country ends two-child policy? Sorry, there is a mistake. Two, here 2 is TWO. So third question, world first nano urea limited is developed indigenously by which company? Answer of this question through comment. So friends, that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friends, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.